How to treat a dry cough with supplements. Got a dry, nagging cough? Here's how to calm it naturally with supplements. 1. Honey plus warm water. Not a supplement, but soothing. Add a spoon of raw honey to warm water or tea. It coats your throat and reduces irritation. 2. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and helps fight off infections. Go for 5,001,000 mg daily. 3. Zinc lozenges. These shorten the duration of coughs and colds. Use as directed, especially at the first sign of symptoms. 4. Elderberry extract, known for antiviral properties. Take it as a syrup or capsule to ease cough and speed recovery. 5. Licorice root, a natural demulcent that soothes throat tissues. Available in tea or supplement form. 6. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of fluids to keep your throat moist. If your cough lasts more than 7-10 days, see a doctor. Supplements help, but don't ignore persistent symptoms.